Hello everyone, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and my husband is not home and we got a package. I have a feeling it's for me, but I'm not sure. But what I find interesting is the address. Okay. This is our address. That's where it came from. See, it came from 1055 Sesame Street. I don't know what's in it because I thought I ordered something else, but that's the name of the street, and it's in Illinois. And I know Hershey Place, which has a Sesame Street park, is in Pennsylvania. So, well, let's see what it is, shall we? I hope he don't mind me opening it. In case it's for him, I have no idea who it's for. But he's not here to stop me, so it is what it is, right? Right? You guys are defending me, right? Because he's not here. I feel like Christmas. You get a box within a box within a box. But this is a box. So I don't know. Oh, I hope this is mine. Oh, I hope this is mine. Oh, I hope this is mine. Well, obviously, it must be Christmas because I'm opening it the way you would open a Christmas present and not see anything. But you ready? Yes, it is mine. It is mine. This is mine, guys. This is not Mr. Pampered's. This is mine. So before the tariffs and all that, I went looking on Amazon for some minis. And I wanted colorful ones. And I got them. So let's see. I have not ordered any from Amazon before. Not minis anyway. I have strictly gotten them from Michael's and from Diamond Art Club. Now, I am reusing this bag. You bet to believe it. This is all garbage, but let me make sure there's no, like, I don't know, receipt, packing slip. Do they even do that? No. They don't even do that. Okay. Nice. I don't even know what the name of this company is. But this is a nice... All right, you can hardly see it. This is a nice bag. It's nice and soft, and it reminds me of Dreamer Designs bags. But they're not branded in any way, so... Okay. Here's the squishy. And this squishy is giving me false hopes. Maybe I can actually get it. That's as far as I can get. Oh, wait. All of a sudden it worked. I don't understand these things. I really don't. What is the secret to these things? And I hate these tweezers. I don't like them. So that's what I think of them. And this placer is thick. So I will have to see how the grid is on this. But these thick ones just push the diamonds away. So I don't really like them either. This is a really big case for a small heart. So let me see. Can I put this purple one in there? Yeah, I could. But it's a really big one, and it's actually a nice one. Some of the other ones, when you put them up, oh, see, everything's making a liar out of me lately. But yeah, it's not opening. So Okay. And a cute little tray. So I guess I'll just put everything back in here. But I don't, yeah, we're just going to put it all back in here. Somebody out there might want it. So here's this little bag. And here's our drills. And maybe the name of the company is on here. It says Professional Color Paper. Well, that's good. All right, how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 22, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 colors. And these are not stickers. It looks and feels like stickers. I don't think they're stickers. Let me see. Nope, not stickers. Not stickers. So, because some of the patterns are a little, they're more than just letters, and I don't draw very well, I will probably cut out the pictures and then tape them on the container when I get to do these. Okay. Oh, wow. These are nice. Oh, nice. Reminds me of Dreamer Designs. Oh, they are very nice. I don't know the name of this company. I don't know, but it is nice. Okay. What should we look at first? We'll look at the drills first, see if there's anything special. I don't think there is, going by the numbers. But you know me, I could bling it up, because that's what I do. So we are not going, okay, so we are going, let's see, 208, yeah, it is in number order according to this card. So let's check it out. We got a purple, lavender, pretty yellow. Oh, these are squares. Guys, these are squares. I thought most minis were rounds. These are not. They are squares. And they look good. They look good. I love the colors. And there's a green and a little, there's two hitchhikers. You see them? One there, one there. Love the colors. $18, $17, $16, $15, $14, $13, $12, $11, $10, $9, $8, $7, $6, $5, $4, $3, $2, $1. Okay, so this ends at 8:14. So this should all be this, what these are, and I'm sure there are, because honestly, guys, I don't really know how to do a return if it's wrong. So I would think ordering from Amazon at this point, you're kind of stuck with it. But I have plenty of leftovers, so I'm not too worried if we're missing a color. And they're just flowers, so if I'm short a color, I can make it up. Okay, let's see what these are. Ready? And I'm stuck. Let me move that there. Again, pretty colors. Oh, look, hitchhiker in this one. And the static does not look bad. Not at all. Oh, hitchhiker. And that's 41. So 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. So all the numbers are there. Okay, let's see the flowers. Oh, guys, I am loving. Wow, look at that. And don't ask me to name them. Let's see the names on the... No, of course not. Pretty. And these canvases, guys, are so nice. I mean, look. Oh, look. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm getting excited showing you guys these. And oh, this is a rainbow rose. And this is reminds me of the big kit by Diamond Art Club called Rainbow Roses. These guys, these are really, really soft, really nice. So again, I don't even remember how I found them on Amazon. I don't typically shop on Amazon. Oh, those are pretty. And I don't even know. That almost looks like a dog, like a poodle with a poofy tails or ears and poofy tail. However you want to poof it. All right. And that's what they all look like. Complete. They are beautiful. And there's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Guys, these are super nice. I can't tell you what I paid for them because I don't remember. And I don't know the name of the company. If any of you know the name of this mysterious company, let me know. Yeah. Again, here are these beautiful drills. Let me put these. And the DMC number is right here. So I will compare and see how close these shades are to like Diamond Art Club DMC or Diamond Dotz DMC. I'll let you know. I'm expecting the color dyes to be a little bit off, but we'll see. As Rosenik calls these, a cinnamon roll. But you can't really see them as a cinnamon roll. So I love, love, love the colors. All right, let me move you out of the way. Love it. So that is my quick little video Like the bag. I'll probably repurpose the bag. So, but everything else I'm excited about. I love the colors, love the canvas, love the material of the canvas, like the patterns, like the size. I just like everything about it. But I don't know the name of the company. So if you know the name of the company, I could probably go look again on Amazon and see. But that's too easy. So I will challenge you to find the name of this company. It's probably some letters. Like, I don't know, AZEJE company. Who knows? Which is not really a company from what I've learned on YouTube. But that's another video. Maybe further down the line, because I'm not really ready to get into that. So let me know. Okay, everybody. That's what I have for you today. Remember, comment, share, like, so I know you're there. And if you subscribe, make sure your settings are on public, because if they're not, I cannot see you for sure. But if you comment, I can see you. So, everybody, be kind to everyone you meet.